Introducing Garage Services from Euro Car Parts. A range of added value services designed to provide your customers with all the regular maintenance services they'll require to keep their vehicles up to date and to keep them coming back to you. Our range includes wheel alignment. Wheel alignment is recommended every 10,000 miles, meaning 1 in 5 vehicles will require alignment. Some of these vehicles will also require additional parts and labour. Our wheel alignment equipment lets you take on this additional work profitably. All our garage services can be acquired simply and affordably using our Easy Start scheme. From as little as £25 per week for the first 6 months and with no major upfront costs. So, you can affordably upgrade existing services or add new ones you are currently missing to invest in your future. Why risk your customers going elsewhere for any of these services? They might not come back. Speak to your local branch or visit omnipart.eurocarparts.com today to find out more about equipping your workshop with garage services from Euro Car Parts. Nothing is more expensive than a missed opportunity.